Sin Chow, everybody. How you doing? Boston Boy and Cham Cham hanging out here in Govap District, Saigon. Hey, we got this little place. What's it called, Cham Cham? Tasana? Tasana restaurant. We ran into some dishes here that squid teeth. Who knew it was a thing? We got some little baby birds fried in butter and something else I don't even know. This is going to be real interesting. It's here, it's now, it's real. Come along, check it out. Squid teeth. Eat the world, baby. Alright, the food has arrived, and yeah, like I said, we got squid teeth. Squid teeth. Alright, so apparently this is like the squid gums, and you gotta open up, because these are from small squid. And the tooth is, it's hard to see, but it's right here. It's a little bit hard, a little bit of cartilage really. We're gonna pull some squid teeth. Now I'm a dentist. It feels like a tough clam, man. But yeah, so these are squid teeth. I don't know. So then we gotta come over here. We got some baby birds fried in butter. Oh yeah, see, look. Woo. He is having a bad day. Bad day. I asked Tim what kind of birds they are, and she doesn't know. I read online they eat a lot of robins. So there's a good chance this is robins. But we don't know. It smells real nice. And then we just got some cracklings, some fried pork skin. This is in some sweet chili sauce. So let's get in here and try the most interesting thing first. Would be the squid teeth. It's in some kind of corn broth. Let's just try a tooth first, I guess. Huh. This is a first for me. Alright. Go figure. Just like eating a piece of little pork. Little piece of pork. That's all it's like. That's what it tastes like. That's the texture of it. A little disappointed. I was hoping it was a little more funky than that. Nothing hard about it. Nothing cartilagey about it. But, so, you know, we got all kinds of squid teeth in here. With some corn. I don't know what the broth is. Let's find out. Man, that's actually really good. It's like eating a sweet, spicy corn chowder with some little pieces of pork in it. So, very interesting. Never knew squid teeth were a thing, but it is, and they're pretty freaking good. So once again, there they are. The tooth is actually wrapped inside of these. I can feel it with my thumb in there, but really these are from tiny squid. So see, now you can see maybe right in here. This is where the tooth would be inside here. Yeah. So we're gonna try and dig it out for you to see, but it's like a baby tooth, really soft. Let me see if I can bite into it. That one's like a tough clam. Yeah, I can't really find it, so that's how small they are. But anyway, I guess this would be the squid gums, you know. Anyway, let's move on to baby birds. Oh, I feel so bad for him. I feel bad for you. Now let's have a little baby drumstick. Oh, so cute. Never had a robin before. Real nice flavor, whatever seasoning they're using. Tastes like quail. If you ever had quail, tastes just like that. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'd have to kill about 400 of these birds to fill my belly with these little drumsticks. Real nice seasoning though, a little spice, a little sweet, a little barbecuey. Not a lot of meat here. You see a lot of these on the street sides. This is one reason you don't see a lot of birds flying around Saigon. Seriously. Because they freaking eat them. You see stuff flying around here, it's usually bats. Alright, so yeah, not a lot of meat here, but real nice, all dark meat. Definitely fried up in butter, you can get the butter taste to it. Real nice. Not gamey at all, nothing, you know. I think when I get home to America, all the birds in the neighborhood are in trouble. Yep. And then we all know this at home, crackling. But they fry this up to order. Nice and fresh. Oh, that's a nice crunch. Yeah, these are real nice. Definitely fresh. A little spice, a little sweet. And some of the best crackling I've ever had. Look at that crunch, man. Yeah. So, all in all, oh yeah, and of course you get awesome baguette here. Pillow of happiness. Altogether here, we're probably talking 100,000, 120,000, so $5 to $6. Get yourself some nice tea. Vietnam does tea right. All right, we're gonna dig into this squid tea. Squid tea. We're gonna enjoy this. We're gonna move on to another location after. See you there. Still hanging out in Go District, Saigon. Cham wanted to come to this place. They got some kind of really fat noodle, so that's supposed to be really good. In that pot right there, they're a little pink, I guess. I don't know. Let's go in and find out. Smells good out here. Alright, so now we're diving into some mee lamb. Mee lamb. Okay, so that's really awesome looking fat noodles. These are rice noodles, Cham?
Mm-hmm. Rice noodles.
Yeah, these look amazing. Wow, those are some big noodles. Nice. And then we got a little salad here, some rice cracker. That's real nice.
Yeah.
Add-ins here, we got some pork bone, we got some regular pork.
That chicken.
We got chicken? Oh, okay. And we got some shrimp. Well, let's get in here and try this out first off before we dress it up. Man, I love fat noodles. Yeah, those are really nice. They just taste like the broth, a nice chicken broth, but... Oh, you got some peanut in here too. That's nice, nice texture. These noodles are great though, nice and soft, a little bit of chew. Oh yeah, these are really, really nice. But now we're gonna dress it up a little bit. You gotta do it, you gotta have some lime in there. Oh, look at the chilies they give us. Oh man, that's a freaking mustache right here, you know? What else we got here? We got some chopped garlic. These are the typical add-ins here in Vietnam, the pho, everything else. We got some chopped chilies, a little mix or something. Yeah, that's going in. What else we got? Oh, this is more chilies. More chilies? Oh, that's going in too. We got some more, another chili over here as well, but we're gonna pass on that one. I don't know.
What is in there?
So there's really no dressing for the salad at all. It's nice, fresh greens. So look at that. Oh, some herbs in here. I see some cilantro. What's this here, Tim? You know?
From banana.
Yeah, the banana, like you see with the other, like the bun ball way. Yeah. Nice, fresh. Like I said, no dressing on it, but we have some lime. We do have some vinegar, so you can make your own little dressing. We got some fish sauce. We'll just make something up here. Yeah. Spice that up a little bit. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, that's good now. And these rice crackers, little black sesame seed in there. You'll find these in a lot of places. It's real nice, neutral flavor, super crunch. Yep. So, Mei Wang. Mei Wang. Oh, you do have some pork in here. Oh yeah. Nice fat layer on that. That's real nice. Just another really super interesting noodle dish here in Vietnam. There's all kinds of noodle dishes here, but these fat noodles, man, these are a game changer. These are real nice. Just look homemade too. If you like chicken noodle soup, that's a bowl of heaven. Alright, we gotta dive in. Tim is looking really hungry and really pissed. So, come on to the next location with us. We're gonna try and hunt down some ice cream with sticky rice. Eat the world, baby. Alright, we're hanging out here at Boo Boo Ice Cream and More. So very busy place. All kinds of kids here. I see all kinds of little fried things on a stick, chopped up hot dogs, mozzarella sticks, all that garbage food, you know. But we're here for the sticky rice and ice cream. We got two different kinds we're going in for. This is coconut ice cream? Yeah?
Coconut
with some black
sticky rice also.
With the black sticky rice.
You can make it for wine, you know, rice wine.
Rice wine?
Yeah.
There's rice wine in there.
This one, sticky rice, this kind.
Okay.
You can cook it up and it becomes
Cook it up with
wine,
the
rice wine.
Oh, I see. Okay. Then we got another ice cream with some, oh, look at that lavender color sticky rice. Some little crispies here. And you said you poured a coconut water over that? No, or you just drink it? Alright, well let's go in for this and try it. Okay? Alright. So this is the one, something about rice wine. Rice and ice cream. The ice cream's real nice. Oh yeah, pretty intense flavor from that rice. Pretty cool texture. It's sticky rice, but boy, it's a little chewy, a little firm. Does this have alcohol in it? It tastes like it does, yeah. You can definitely pick up the booze on that. They feed this to the kids?
I think the kids not order much.
Not order much?
Not that kind.
That's real nice. Nice boozy aftertaste. Go figure. Next time you're home, you got some extra rice, mix it with your ice cream. Give it a try. Alright, so in here, oh, we got some jelly down here too. Probably coconut jellies. Oh, we got some corn. Now we're getting real funky.
And you get the milk from here.
Lavender rice, coconut jellies, and corn with ice cream in a baby coconut shell. Huh. That's pretty cool. That's real nice. The corn is actually really good in there. You know, these little, yeah, you can pick the coconut meat off here too. This isn't a baby coconut shell. Oh, look at that. It comes right up.
Yeah, they make this.
Oh man, you could almost like... Oh, wait. I have an idea. Well, maybe it's not going to work out. I was going to pick it up and make an ice cream taco.
Take it on, just cut it small
Yeah,
piece.
I'm not that good at it. So, oh, look at that. See, I told you I'm not that good at it. So anyway, you got the coconut meat in here too. Nice, fresh, real coconut. You can tell I'm not from here because I'm totally effing this up. Yeah, okay. I'll just tear some off like, there we go. Coconut meat. Little coconut water chaser. Nice. So next time you're at home, you want some ice cream, you're looking for some different toppings, or you're pregnant and want something funky with your ice cream, rice and corn. Yeah, who knew? And little jellies. Give it a try. This is really, really good. This is a treat. Yep. Don't know what that is, but...
Coconut?
Oh, toasted coconut.
Yeah.
I never thought of putting corn with my ice cream.
And
now
then they cook it up with the sugar and then they dry.
It almost
grippy.
makes me almost want to try at home like some vanilla ice cream with cream corn on top or something. They don't know cream corn here, but all right, one more bite and it's Jam's time. Real nice. All right, well, we hope you liked the little night of squid teeth and fat noodles and rice and ice cream. Remember to get out there and eat the world. Love you. If you subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you real soon. Ciao.